How to book an appointment for CBC. So the first step is to simply open your browser and then simply search book an appointment for CBC, just like this, and click on the first link. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on meet with us, and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now here you're gonna have to choose one of these options. So if you are a CBC client, choose this one here, and if you're a guest, choose this one here. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose the location, and as you can see, you're gonna have to choose by meeting topic owned by CBC representative. So after that, click on next, and then click on next again. And as you can see here, you're gonna have to enter some information. So depending on your locations, as you can see, tell us why you'd like to meet us. So here you can choose personal banking or business banking. Then here you're gonna have to choose the option, and basically that's it. Now after you click next, you're gonna have to choose the date and time that you want to meet them and where do you want to meet them. So you're gonna see a map with the nearest location for you. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.